Okay, so we're going to be talking about data management. This marks the beginning of the statistics unit. So, data management, the first step is collecting and coding data. So you create your code book so that you can organize your data well, and then after you've collected your data, you assign ID numbers, not names, to protect confidentiality. That's to keep track of the different participants. Second step is data entry. So there are three ways of data entry. One is direct entry, so that would be like if you did a paper survey and then you went and filled in all the correct answers in an Excel sheet, data point by data point. Then the second method of data entry is optical scan sheets. So those are like scantrons, or like if you take a test at the testing center, they will give you the sheets and you fill in the bubbles and then they just scan that sheet. And then the third way, it's kind of become the way, is laptops, computers, mobile devices. And that's what we had you do for this project. We um, had you collect your data online so that you wouldn't have to enter things manually into the computer. Okay, then there's data cleaning, which is the third step. So in data cleaning, you check for impossible codes. So let's say you ask what somebody's gender is, and you only give them two options, male or female, and you assigned one to mean male and two to mean female, and those are the only two possible codes that make sense. But for some reason, you ended up with a 0 or a 4 or 5. Those are codes that are not even supposed to exist because you assigned one to male, two to female, and that's it. There are no other codes. So if you find any other number besides those numbers, then you know it's an impossible code and needs to be deleted. You guys shouldn't have too many problems with that because of how your data was collected. And then some final notes about data coding and cleaning. There's a certain amount of obsessiveness is a value trait so that you don't get bad data or whatever. If your data is bad, then your stats will be bad. And then it is often recommended to make a duplicate copy of your data file and keep it in a separate location. That's the end.